Hi everyone, and welcome to my weekly Cupid's On You Run Race Director updates. Today we'll be talking about getting the website ready to launch. What we need from each of our race directors is to input their specific city information onto the website. It's really easy to do, and I'll show you how to do it. After I show you how to do everything, go through it and then contact me if you have any troubles, and I'll be happy to help. Another thing that we need to add in there is a slideshow. So we have a couple of pictures from past Undie runs that we're going to use, but we would like to use a city-specific image that really portrays the fun and the unique energy of your city. So find an image that isn't copyrighted and is a large size and landscape. So you want it to be hot dog style. Or maybe that's hamburger. Whichever it is, you know what landscape is. And send it over to us, and then we'll add that to the slideshow so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Okay, so here's our WordPress site, and this is where you log in. Your username is your city. It's not your full email address. And the password is change me. That's capital C, capital M with a space in the middle. Now we're going to log in. And the first thing I want you to do is go up to where you see Howdy plus your city and edit my profile. That's where you can change some information about your profile, but most importantly, where you can change your password so it is specific to your city. I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm actually going to change the password. I'm going to let Amelia pick her own. So, but you can see where you can enter it in, and then just update profile. Oh, update. There we go. Okay. Next, we are going to click cities. And pick your city. And from here we can edit specific information about your city. Right here, Bobby Gill is actually going to insert SEO words and phrases, so you don't need to do that. So our first order of business is to actually just change that SEO title. And for those of you that don't know, SEO is search engine optimization. And we are just going to change that to Cupid's Undie Run City. Okay, and from there you can kind of familiarize with the site, and you can see how many years, you can input how many years your city's been around for Cupids, the name of your venue, and then also put in your venue address. For event date, you just click here and the handy little calendar pops up. Denver's run will be on February 8th, as will Mason City's, but all the other runs will actually take place on February 15th, so make sure you pick that date. And then you can input your start time, the run time, and then the end time. Okay, so for the slideshow, that's what I talked about. We're just going to need 2 or 3 images from your city that we can use on that slideshow, and we'll input that for you, so just email those to me. And then you can scroll down here and see sponsorship and incentive ads. So if you click add a row, you can add an image that your sponsor has created, and it can just be like a little advertisement, and then their URL, and that will populate on the website as an advertisement. It's pretty cool. So if your gym is hosting like a special event, or if there's a coupon or something, we can work that out. It just has to be a 220 pixel wide and 180 pixels tall. Okay, I've jumped ahead of myself here, but there's an FAQ section, and we will have national specific information on here. But for city specific information, like where do I park, where do I take the light rail to, or the train? Okay, I'm jumping ahead of myself. I suck at this. For presenting sponsors, just enter in the name, the URL of the presenting sponsor, image, and it's as easy as that. And I'll show you how to pop up the image here. So we're going to do upload files. And then you just drag and drop, and make sure that background on the sponsor image is white if it's not just a graphic that will look best on our website. And that's all you have to do. And then there are 3 levels for sponsors that you can add down there. There's the presenting sponsor, the local sponsor, and you'll see the differences. So update is equivalent to save on this website. So anytime you want to save information, just click update. And if you want to see what this site will look like now that you've saved everything, just click this. And you can see where all of the information that you just inputted has populated into the text. Woohoo! Okay. Going back, next we're going to take a look at heroes. So NF heroes is anyone that has NF that we have information about. So if you would like to add an NF hero that you don't see on here, maybe it's someone from your city, maybe it's your own child, you can fill out this information on the individual. And again, don't necessarily worry about the SEO titles and key phrases. And then just click publish and they will be added to our. So as you can see, it's really easy and there are only a couple of areas where you need to input information. But if you have any trouble at all or if you can't log in, feel free to email me or give me a call and I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much everyone, and I look forward to seeing our city-specific pages all snazzy and updated. Have a great day.